Hi, if you're learning a basic C++ programming, I recommend you to use Dev C++ IDE. It is a free, portable, fast and simple C or C++ IDE. Just press download to start, and as you can see, you'll just wait a couple of seconds here and your download will start shortly. And this one at the bottom left, the CPP 5.11 TB executable file will appear, but I'll just skip to that and double double left click, and the notification, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Just press yes, and the Dev C++ installer will unpack its data. So for the language, you may choose English if you're into English. It depends on your preferred language. So Bulgarian, Catalan, Czechsky, Dansk, Dutch, your choice. I'll just choose English. And this one is for the license agreement. It is a legal stuff, but of course we don't do anything stupid. I'll just press the I agree. For this one, you are asked if you want to install the Dev C++ for full or minimal save, but I prefer the full settings so that you'll have the maximum power of Dev C++ program. This one is for the destination folder where you want to install your Dev C++. So I'll just choose the default program files folder because it is a proper folder for the programs, and I'll just press install, and the files will be extracted to that destination folder. Just wait for a couple of minutes and it will be installed. And we're done extracting the file. So this icon will appear, as you can see, the shortcut. And I prefer you to run the dev C++ to set the preliminary settings for the program, and the I'll just check the run dev C++ 5.11 and click the finish button. And as you can see, so for the dev C++ first time configuration, yes, our language is English. Yeah, we'll click for that. And as you can see here on your left, uh, this is the theme, but we may choose the theme later. And I'll just press the next button here. So here, you may choose your own preferred font, but I'll choose Consolas because it is a, it sets the it sets the characters in proportion. It is important in C++ programming. So you may have a clear vision for your codes. As you can see, the tabs here are proportion to the previous tab. And yeah, font does matter. I'll choose Consolas. And for the color, you may use Classic Plus, Classic, or Twilight. I prefer for my own preference, I'll use Classic Plus for the color. And for the icons, you may choose your own preferred icons. So for Genome, it looks like this. For blue, it looks like this. New look is better. It is minimalist. Yeah. By the way, it's your own choice. So I'll just press next and okay. As you can see, the theme from the previous settings shows limited options. I'll press Ctrl N to create a new CPP file. As you can see here, you may try writing codes here. But if you want to make this one cooler, there's an option under the tools menu strip, and click for the editor options and go to the colors tab, and you may choose a theme here on the drop down list. Click it, and there's a theme called plastic code wrap. I like this one because uh, it doesn't hurt your eyes. It's kind of cool, as you can see here. I like the dark ones. So that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you.